managed by Modern English School, Nevada. Dear students, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, now I discuss the remaining part of exercise 3D. I think all of you will and try to solve other questions of this exercise. So, see here, and that is question number is 18. Question is that if it has many solutions, then find the value of k if 5x plus 2y is equal to 2k and 2k plus 1x plus ky is equal to 3k plus 4. One times again, condition is given that it has many solutions, it has infinitely many solutions, and find the value of k if it is given that 5x plus 2y is equal to 2k and 2 into k plus 1x plus ky is equal to 3k plus 4. Here a student write solution, and here you write it has many solution. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Next, a1 is 5, a2 2k plus 1, b1 is 2, b2 k, c1 is 2k, and it is 3k plus 4. There are three already wrote. There are three cases you can solve. Case first. First, take these two parts. That is 5 2k plus 2 is equal to 2 by k. Then 5k is equal to 4k plus 4. Then 5k minus 4k is equal to 4. So k is equal to 4. It is the answer to first case. Case number 2, that is case second. Then you take second and third term. Here is 2 by k is equal to 2k and 3k plus 4. Cross multiplication you take. You will write 2k square is equal to 6k plus 8. Cross multiply 2k into k, 2k square, 3 into 2, 6k plus 8. Here is 2k square minus 6k minus 8 is equal to 0. Now it is in the middle term methods. 8 to the 16, and you have to take 6k, then you can split it. 2k square minus 8k plus 2k minus 8 is equal to 0. Here is 2k common, then it is k minus 4. Here is 2 common, then k minus 4 is equal to 0. Hence 2k plus 2, and here is k minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2k plus 2 is equal to 0, then 2k is equal to minus 2, then k is equal to minus 1. Next here, k minus 4 is equal to 0, hence k is equal to 4. It is the case second. And similarly, you can solve case third. Case third is related to first and third. Here is first 5, 2k plus 1 is equal to 2k and 3k plus 4. So you multiply, then you get 15k plus 20, and here is 2 to the 4, then you write 4k square plus 4k, then 0 is equal to 4k square plus 4k minus 15k and minus 20, then 0 is equal to 4k square minus 11k and minus 20. So again it is the form of quadratic form, and this is 4k square minus 11k and minus 20 is equal to 0. Again we just split that 24 is 80 and here is 11. Then you can solve 4k square minus 16k plus 5k minus 20 is equal to 0. Hence 4k is common, then it is k minus 4, and here is 5 common, then it is k minus 4 is equal to 0. So here 4k plus 5 and there is k minus 4 is equal to 0. Then 4k plus 5 is equal to 0. Then 4k is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to minus 5 4. And second step is k minus 4 is equal to 0, then k is equal to 4. So there are three cases. First case, you write here k is equal to 4. Second case, you also find k is equal to 4. And third case, start from here and there you find k is equal to 4. So what is the common among three cases? And that is the 4. So your answer of the value of k is 4 because 4 are the common in all three cases. So dear student, what is the value of k? If condition is given infinitely many solutions, then you solve the question by three cases. First case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Second case, b1 by b2 is equal to cn by c2. And third case, a1 by a2 is equal to cn by c2. Here k is the variable terms and it has only one term. So try to solve by three cases. Now see next. Now see 21 question number that it has infinitely many solutions, but you have find the two value of variable terms. One is a, another is b. Your question is a minus 1 into x plus 3y is equal to 2 and 6x plus 1 minus 2b y is equal to 6, and you have found the value of a and b. Before this question is solved only that find the value of only k if it has infinite many solutions. But here is the given that find the value of a and b, it has infinitely many solutions. So dear student, you solve these questions, it has many solutions. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Next, here a1 is a minus 1, a2 is 6, b1 is 3 and b2 is 1 minus 2b and c1 is 2 and c2 is 6. First you write this. Next, dear student, when you take a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then multiply 2 into ab to ab, then you have get so many problems. So you solve these questions by first and third and second and third. So first case you take a minus 1 by 6 is equal to 2 by 6. Don't take 3 by a minus 2b. What you get here, when you write this, then 6 a minus 1 is equal to 2 by 6 into 6. 6 cancel, then a minus 1 is equal to 2, so a is equal to 3. So value of a is 3. From we get only first and third cases. Similarly, next case is 3 by 1 minus 2b is equal to 2 by 6. So by cross multiplication, 2 1 minus 2b is equal to 3 into 6. So 1 minus 2b is equal to 3 into 6 by 2. 2 3 ja, then 1 minus 2b is equal to 9. So minus 2b is equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. So what is the value of b? So you can say b is equal to 8 by minus 2 and it cancel, that is minus 4. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 4. So when your question is given in two variables like as a and b, then you can solve only two cases. Don't solve three cases. You solve only three cases when your question is given find the value of k, that means you have find only one variable term, and that time you solve by three cases. But when your question is find the value a and b, that means you have find two variable terms, so you only solve by two cases. First cases first and third, and second cases second and third. Then easy way you can find the value of a and b. See question number 25, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and a plus bx plus 2a minus by equal to 21. Condition is given, it has infinitely many solutions and you have found the value of a and b. Dear students, you write your solution and it is given it has infinitely many solutions. So write it has many solutions. So it is clear a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and equal to c1 by c2. Next, a1 by a2, that is 2 into a plus b. Next, b1 by b2 3, 2a minus b, and c1 by c2 7 by 21. You can cancel it, that is 1 by 3. So calculation may be easy. And next you draw like as 2a plus b is equal to 1 by 3. So what you get? You get by cross multiplication a plus b is equal to 6. This is the first equation. Similarly, you write 3 2a minus b is equal to 1 by 3. By cross multiplication you get 2a minus b is equal to 9. This is the second equation. Now both are linear equations of two variables. So a plus b is equal to 6 and 2a minus b is equal to 9. So dear student, here is positive and negative, so you can add, and in easy way you can find the value of a and b. So it is cancelled when you add it, eliminate it, and it is 2 and 8, that is 3a, and it is 15. This is plus b and minus b, so it is cancelled. Then 3a is equal to 15. So what is a? Then a is equal to 15 by 3. Then it is 3, 5 is up 15. So a is equal to 5. Now substitute the value of a in equation. A plus b is 6, and here a is 5 plus b is equal to 6. So b is equal to 6 minus 5, that is 1. So you can say a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. It is the solution of a and b. If condition is given, it has infinitely many solutions. A student, you find out here that it has a and b, that means two variable terms. So we take only two cases, first and third, and second and third. So by first and third, one equation is there, and by second and third, one equation is here. And from these two equations, by elimination method, we solve and find the value of a and b. So if you have two variable terms, so you only solve by two cases, first and third, and second and third, then you get it. Dear student, now question number 27, and it is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and kx plus 10y is equal to 15, and it has no solution. And your question is find the value of k, that this system equation has no solution. So you write here solution. Condition is here that it has no solution. So it has no solution. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. It is the condition of no solution. Now substitute the value, that is 8 by k is equal to 5 by 10 is not equal to 9 by 15. It is clear it is not equal to it. So solve the equation by these two. So 5k is equal to 80. Hence k is equal to 80 by 5, that is 16. So k is equal to 16 is the answer. When we substitute the value of k in this equation 16, that means it has no solution, and we cannot find the value of x and y. When we write at this place is 16, then we cannot find the value of x and y. So dear student, what is the value of k? So k, the value is 60. And other questions from 27 to 32 are on the same process, that it has no solution and you have found the value of k. So try to solve by same method and I think you can solve it. And it is the last video of the exercise 3D. The remaining questions of this exercise I think you can solve by easy way. If you have any problem, then ask to my personal WhatsApp number. Dear student, now best of luck for your exam and try to solve some questions for the examination.